Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Topic of my video is convert mole into mass or mass into mole without remembering any formula. This is very simple and easy method. First read the question. How many moles are there in 30 gram of methane? For any conversion of mole into mass or mass into mole, you have to calculate the molecular mass of the substance. So first calculate the molecular mass of methane. From the formula you can see it consists of two elements, carbon and hydrogen. Atomic mass of carbon is 12 and of hydrogen is 1. Add these masses together keeping in mind the subscript of the element. Answer is 16. This is molecular mass of methane. Now make two columns, one for the mole of the substance and the other for the mass of the substance. For the first line of data, always write 1 in the first column and molecular mass of the substance in the second column, which is 16 in this case. This is because you by the definition of mole you know that molecular mass of any substance taken in gram is equal to 1 mole. For the second line of data you have to take the values from the question. How many moles? It means moles are unknown, so use x for the unknown quantity, which is mole in this case. So write x in the first column and mass of the substance is given 30 grams. So write 30 in the second column. Now your data is complete. Cross multiply the data like this, x with 16 and 1 with 30. Put the sign of is equal to in between. The equation will be like this. You can easily solve this equation for the value of x. You can find the value of x by dividing 1 into 30 with 16. Answer is 1.875. Now you can write the answer 30 grams of methane is equal to 1.875 moles. Now come to the second example. What is the mass of 2.3 moles of hydrogen sulfide? In this case you have to convert mole into mass. Now follow the same procedure as for example number 1. First calculate the molecular mass of hydrogen sulfide. From the formula you can see it consists of two elements, hydrogen and sulfur. Atomic mass of sulfur is 32 and of hydrogen is 1. Add these masses together keeping in mind the subscript of the element hydrogen. Answer is 34. This is molecular mass of methane. Now make two columns, moles of the substance and mass of the substance. Follow the same procedure as for example number 1. For the first line of data always write 1 in the first column and in the second column write molecular mass of the substance 34, which is 34 in this case. Second line of the data you have to take the values from the question. What is the mass? Mean mass is unknown, so write x for the mass of the substance, means in the second column write x, and moles of the substance are given 2.3. Write this value in the first column. Now your data is complete. Cross multiply this data like this, 1 with x and multiply 2.3 with 34. Put the sign of is equal to in between like this. Now you can find the value of x by simply multiplying 34 with 2.3. Answer is 78.2. So you can write the answer 2.3 moles of hydrogen sulfide is equal to 78.2 grams. So in this way you can convert mole into mass or mass into mole without using any formula. Thank you for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.